How to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. Now, most of the time, the reason why you're encountering this problem most probably is because of your unstable internet connection or data. So the very first thing that you need to double check is to make sure that you're currently connected to a strong, not actually strong, but a stable internet network. Next thing to do is make sure that you are using the latest version of the application. Just head to Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the app and then ensure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now, the last option that we need to do is to clear cache and data cookies from the application itself. Simply press and hold the Roblox icon and then tap on the eye icon right there. Now, the bottom part of your screen, you should be able to see force stop, uninstall, and clear data. Simply choose clear data and make sure to comply both of these options, clear all data and clear cache. Once done, just rerun your application and make sure that it is already working. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix Roblox not loading on mobile.